Welcome to this Fundamentals Lesson Plan series on roofs, layout, design, and editing. In this video, we'll take a look at creating a shed roof using the roof by footprint method. This is video 5 of 9. My name is John Harridge, and I'll be your host for today's lesson. Let's review the learning objectives for video 5. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to create a roof sketch using roof by footprint method, apply slope properties to a roof sketch, apply a base offset to the roof element, and then convert the roof sketch to a 3D roof element. With that, let's get started. Let me show you an instructor preview demo of the goal of this exercise, continuing on with the residential data set that we've been using for earlier exercises. In this video, we will actually construct a shed roof over the entry of the house. With that, let's go ahead and close the file and let's begin the hands-on exercise. Let's begin the exercise by opening up an existing file. So go ahead and click Open. Navigate to your tutorial directory. And let's open up the Roofs 05 exercise project file. Should begin from a 3D view here, and let's orbit the model to see the front side. Again, the purpose of the exercise is to create a shed roof over the entryway of the house. Let's begin that process by opening up the level 2 floor plan view and then zoom in to the entry level. Let's go ahead and start the Roof by Footprint tool. Again, we'll use the familiar pick wall layout technique to create a parametric relationship between the sketches and the walls. Let's go ahead and verify that the overhang value is 1 foot. Just type in 1 foot, hit the tab key to accept, and let's make sure that define slope in the options bar is unmarked. Let's go ahead and left click on the wall here to create a sketch. Left click again here to create another sketch. And then left click to create the third sketch at this location. Next, we'll pick up the line tool in the draw panel and then just draw the closing sketch. This time we'll do it at the face of the wall. Go from this side to this side. And again, I can't stress enough that we want clean sketches here. So let me hit the Modify tool, and where I'm hovering over my cursor and circling, that will not be accepted as a valid sketch because of the overhang of the vertical sketch line. So use your Trim tool in the Modify panel to actually create a clean intersection. And again, repeat that same process on the opposite side. So now that the corners are clean, that will be accepted as a valid sketch. And then the last thing to do is to assign a slope property to the sketch lines. Go ahead and select it. In the options bar, go ahead and mark Define Slope. Let's go ahead and set the slope value to a pitch of 6 and 12. Go ahead and hit Apply. And then go ahead and finish the sketch. Attach the walls to the roof. Click Yes. Let's go to a 3D view just to confirm the result. Looks good. Walls are projected up. Let's go ahead and save the file as. We'll give it the name Roofs 05 exercise finished. Click Save after you give it a name. This concludes this exercise. Let's go ahead and take a look at next steps. Let's review the learning objectives for video 5. In this lesson, you were able to create a roof sketch by using Roof by Footprint method. Next, we applied slope properties to individual roof sketch lines, applied a base offset to the roof element, and then converted the roof sketch to a 3D roof element. With that, let's take a look at Autodesk resources that are available to you. I would like to make you aware of two Autodesk resources. The first resource is the Autodesk Education Community, where you can access free software for both students and educators for titles like Autodesk Revit featured in this series. The website address is www.students.autodesk.com. Registration is required to access the free software using either your personal email address or your school-issued email address. The second resource is the Autodesk Digital STEAM Workshop. It's hands-on, project-based learning across multiple industries such as architecture, engineering, and entertainment. The website address is www.digitalsteam.autodesk.com. Registration is required to download the free learning resources using your Autodesk ID created from the Autodesk Education Community. You will find the Fundamentals of Architecture series under the Subject pull-down menu, Architecture link. Assets include step-by-step instructions, datasets, and videos. This concludes this exercise. Thank you very much for watching.